Good day, everyone, and thank you for having me here. I am so excited to talk about politics, titled Right or Just Famous. Imagine having a stressful day. People have grown used to easing their stress by scrolling through social medias and watching videos. However, instead of seeing our favorite celebrities perform or entertain us, we end up seeing them talk about who we should vote for in the upcoming elections. Sadly, this is happening quite often nowadays. Celebrities are using their fame to influence politics, to tell people what to do, and to shape the public opinion. But should they? I personally believe that celebrities should stay out of politics. First, they are not politicians or political experts. Celebrities are talented in many ways, such as acting, singing, and performing. Even so, those skills do not make them experts when it comes to political matters. When they speak about politics, many people listen because they are well-known celebrities and not because they were right. This can lead to serious problem, as many people accept their opinions based on their popularity rather than the factual information from knowledgeable sources. This becomes even more worrying when we consider how easily people can be influenced, especially those who trust celebrities deeply or look up to them emotionally. Second, their influence can have an unpredictable impact on people's mind. According to Alatas and others of the year 2019, tweets that users can identify as being originated by a celebrity are far more likely to be liked and retweeted by other users than similar tweets seen by the same user but without the celebrity's imprimatur. Celebrities are followed by thousands or even millions of people. A single piece of inaccurate information or biased opinion can spread quickly and be accepted as truth by their fans. For example, a well-known celebrity once shared a post online saying that a certain political candidate is the best choice, without providing any fact or evidences. Many fans liked and shared the post, and some even decided to support that candidate based on that alone. This shows how easily people can be influenced by popularity instead of proper knowledge. Fame is so powerful, but it should not replace knowledge and experience. Imagine how many people can be misled in just a few minutes, and how easily emotions can push someone to make a decision they may regret later. According to Archer, Kauston, Matheson, and Gayuskens of year 2020 in their paper Celebrity, Democracy, and Epistemic Power, celebrities have a significant degree of epistemic power, which is the ability to influence what people believe, even though they lack the proper expertise. This shows that celebrity involvement in politics can threaten democratic legitimacy. This research highlights how fame alone can shape the public opinion and decision-making, emphasizing that popularity should not replace knowledge and experience in guiding political choices. Maria Atienza, a political science professor from the University of the Philippines, explains that being popular is not the same as being knowledgeable about politics. She says that even famous people do not automatically understand how the government works. Her long experience in studying Philippine politics makes her point reliable and trustworthy. She reminds the public that political guidance should come from people who are trained and informed, not from those who are simply well-known. If people continue to follow celebrities' opinion without questions, the future generations could suffer the consequences. Imagine how the next generation cope about important decisions about leaders and communities are made on false beliefs rather than facts. In conclusion, celebrities may inspire us with their talent, but they should not use their fame to influence politics. They are not experts and their opinion can easily mislead people. Politics requires knowledge and careful thinking, not popularity. Celebrities should focus on entertaining and inspiring us, not telling the public what to believe. Important decisions like voting should be guided by facts and reasons, and not fame. For that reason, I believe celebrities should stay out of politics. So, let us keep politics in the hands of those who are qualified, not just the popular ones. And that's all. Thank you.